Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this beautiful lamb stew today with nice chunky vegetables. Really is delicious. So, I've got there about 750 grams or about 3 cups of lamb. There's a lot of bones, some fat on it, but it's got some nice meat on it. Let's get to the cooker. So we're going to drop that in. We're on a medium heat, and there I've got about 4 tablespoons of a sunflower oil. You can change the oil if you want. So in goes the meat. Let's add a bit of salt and pepper to that. A tablespoon of chopped garlic. 1 cup of onion. Give that a little mix, and we're going to let that go for about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, some spices. Now I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 of chili, and 1 of turmeric. You can change that around if you want. Next up, we're going to drop in a lot of water. We're going to kind of, overfill it. So over the meat plus a couple of centimeters. We're going to let it go for about 30 minutes maybe. You could pressure cooker it at this point if you want. I'm just going to go with the cooker here. Well, we've got that really nice and tender now. It's got a nice head start. A bit more water. I mean, you can adjust the amount of the water here. It's going to evaporate out quite a bit. Chunky carrots, just about 4 carrots there, nice and big, pretty much in half. Just 1 tomato, chopped, really roughly. We'll let that go for about 5 or 6 minutes. Then big potatoes. I've just peeled these, but they're pretty much whole. And I've got about, I think maybe 4 or 5 cups there. I mean, again, you can adjust these vegetables and add some other vegetables in if you wanted. But we're going to get the heat down nice and low now. Not a simmer, but above a simmer. And let that go for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can see those potatoes and the carrots are beautifully cooked. Off goes the heat. We've pretty much done it. Now if you wanted, you could add in some fresh herb or something, but that's it. Nice, basic, hearty, beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.